I know it's a bit dark here. Well, I'm waiting for my student at session 7, so I don't know what to do right now. So I thought make myself useful. Maybe I could sing a Chinese song. Well, I'm waiting for a Chinese girl, Chinese student. Okay, maybe I sing this song, she will come. Okay, anyway, if she don't come, I hope the rain also don't come. If the rain come, the road is wet and I don't like it. And okay, the song is called the song is called Yue Ding by Guan Liang. I don't know why Chinese song. 少好的3年不见面，有我们的爱把时间留住。你消失说，是求我们的考验，我们的约定。What's 约定？约定。几十年，1000年又过了，我还是回到这个地方。闭上眼，等你的出现，空气中为你的脸，我还记得我们的约定，一辈子幸福的约定。愿你写的那首歌，它也到达这条泪了，我还记得我们的约定，无比遇见，还更爱你了，连那方的笑我了，我想他会告诉你的，我也爱你了。Oh, she's here already. Well, okay, I gotta go before she see me singing this song. I'll post it. Take care. Ciao. See you in my next video. Bye bye.